There are litter boxes that literally look like sleek spaceships and even ones that legit could pass for a toilet. Your cat deserves the best, after all. There are many products available to choose self-cleaning litter boxes, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best self-cleaning litter boxes from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Petri Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. First off, it looks like a planter. Can I get a hell yeah? If you're someone who just absolutely hates the look of exposed litter, or you're just not into the eggish, spaceship-looking boxes, you've found the one. It's super easy to use. You can literally control it from anywhere via an app. It tracks your BB's health, and it's compatible with all types of clumping litter. Number 2. Pet Safe Scoop Free Complete Plus Self. The best part about this bad boy is that it's currently discounted. Plus, all you have to do is toss the plastic-lined disposable tray every so often. The crystal litter that it comes with is also dust-free, which means it won't stick to your pet's paws and you won't have to stress about a mess in your house post-poop. And it also has a health counter, so you can keep track of how often Hello Kitty uses the box. Number 3. Omega Paw Roll and Clean Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Litter box will fit right in with your home if you have a muted, neutral aesthetic going on. And its roominess allows for kiddos of all sizes, so you don't have to worry about whether or not your little tabby will fit inside. It's made of durable plastic and has a strong sifting grate that sifts the waste from the clean litter and puts it into the waste tray. BTW, you will have to manually do this, but have no fear. It's very simple. Just roll it on its side and let gravity drop all the poop into the tray. You'll never have to see or smell your cat's doo-doo again. Number 4. Litter Maid Single Cat Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Self-cleaning box. Opt for this discounted one that'll remove Z-poo on its own with just the push of a button. It also has high walls, so you won't have to stress about a mess outside of the box parameters. Plus, if you're going on vacay, it'll be self-sufficient for about 7 days, so your pet sitter doesn't have to deal with scooping litter. Number 5. PETKIT Pura X Self-Cleaning Litter Box. You can't tell me this doesn't look like something straight out of Star Wars. Well, it is indeed a fancy box that has auto-cleaning mode and scheduled cleaning mode, allowing you to choose when you want it to deodorize. The way it neutralizes odors. It uses a self-developed purifying liquid that'll remove the stench and bring clean and fresh air. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.